Midway Mayhem fans, this is Nelson, and today we are checking in from Six Flags Over Georgia. This is my very first visit this year, so without further ado, let's go have some fun. Hello, Georgia Scorcher, and wow, might I say, you look a little different since the last time I saw you. And I gotta say, guys, Georgia Scorcher looks amazing. I heard some negative things about this, and I gotta say, you will never hear me saying a negative thing about this repaint. It looks so good, and it genuinely stands out in the park now. Looks so, so nice. Right near the ticketing counter at Six Flags Over Georgia, they have a sign for VIP tours. So if you guys didn't know you could do that at Six Flags Over Georgia, you can. So you just come up here, and they also have a ginormous membership center, and it looks like what appears to be a lounge. Well, we have arrived at Twisted Cyclone, and I'm afraid we're off to a bad start. They are temporarily closed. Well, I know I said we were temporarily closed, but I'm going to wait it out anyway because we are in a station wait. Well, this is a change of events. Miss Dixie's is now Six Flags Member Lounge, where any Six Flags member can come in here. I was told this opened about 2 weeks ago, and you can come in here with a membership, and this actually looks really nice. It's been repainted, looks great. Let's go inside and check it out. So we have made it inside, and right away we can see some seats over here. The registers are actually closed. They do not serve food in here anymore, but they do give a look at park maps, and we can see new Pandemonium. They have the official park maps in here now. They have drink refill stations where any members can come in and get their refills. They have two ginormous TVs in here. They have a new bar with electrical outlets going all the way down. They have air ventilation, guys. We have air pumping in here. We have actual air. Over here is a big lounge. Areas where people can just sit and hang out. And guys, one of my favorite things about this is you can actually get skip the line passes here. So if you have a Diamond or Diamond Elite membership, you can get 1 to 2 skip the line passes per day. So I would come in here and take advantage of it. This is amazing. Well, Panda Express is gone, and it has been replaced with Strutter's Famous Chicken Wings and Brews. It smells amazing, and the best part, the dining pass is accepted. Yes. Well, it's not the heaviest of days, and it's also not the lightest of days. Monster Mansion has a pretty decent wait. Well, we have arrived at the Screampunk District, and this is it. This is the Screampunk District. This is all. There's no re-theme anywhere else. This is it. And I'm not saying I don't like this new structure. It's just, well, maybe I was expecting a little more, but this is it.
Live performances of both original music and cover songs.
And we have arrived at Pandemonium, and holy cow, it looks so good. Now there's still some construction work happening around the area, but the actual pendulum structure is finished. And it looks like, from what we can see, there is a gift shop being built, and it is right next to the queue, and it looks fantastic. And again, it is right next to the go-karts in case you do not know where the location is, but it looks great. I can't wait for this thing to open. This is one of my favorite flat rides, if not my favorite, and I cannot wait to ride this thing. Now we do see some sort of rope going down from the top of the structure, so they are working on something, probably still tightening and making sure everything's in check, but the actual structure is 100% complete.
Sounds like. You guys want to hear a joke? Knock, knock. Who's there? Panther. And Panther, no Panther, I'm going with it. See ya. Leon. on, get back here. Well, you ain't going swimming and you're definitely keeping your pants on. What's wrong, Sheriff? Well, listen, you see all these people you just told those terrible jokes to? That was one joke. Oh, that terrible joke too? I thought it was pretty good.
Sky Screamer, let's see how you're doing. Oof, man, that is brutal, but possibly worth it. The first coaster for me is going to be Blue Hawk. I'm probably gonna regret this, but let's do it. Well, I did it again. I wanted to like it again, and I still don't, but I'm glad some people like it. It's just not for me, and I will give 1+. The operations were fantastic. They did an amazing job. So operations team at Blue Hawk, great job. Oh yeah, it's Gotham City time. The first attraction we can see is the Joker, and there is quite the wait. So if you'd like to wait for this Larson Looper, jump on in line, but I'm gonna keep going. It's Mindbender time. Oh yeah. This Schwarzkopf coaster is one of my favorites. I love this ride, and the line is usually pretty short, so let's go hitch a ride on Mindbender. Aw, they grow up so fast. Mindbender now has their own photos. In case you guys were curious where the photo was, right there. Well, Mindbender had such a short line. Let's see if Batman the Ride does.
Icy is available at snack stands in classic cherry.
Huh, Gotham City has Icy? Middle of the stairs, not bad. And after waiting less than 10 minutes, we are on and off of Batman the Ride. It is running extremely fast, making your toes tingle the whole way, but all in all, that was a really good ride on the Batman. All right, so next up is Goliath, and the line is next to nothing. We are in a station wait. Now, something to report here is that this used to be a bunch of carnival games, and they are all gone. So we have 2 left over, and other than that, this whole center area is gone. So there's a lot more room for seating. And alien abduction, no update here, nothing new. But it's time for a good classic ride on Goliath. We have finally returned to Georgia Scorcher from the inside, and they are doing 1 train operations. Ouch. But the line doesn't look that bad, but we have a flash pass, so let's use it. Well, we just finished Georgia Scorcher, and that was really good. The ride itself was really nice. Scorcher's running fantastic. Operations, on the other hand, are kind of deadly. So they were doing 1 train operations, and they had a couple issues here and there. But in the end, we got on the ride, we got off the ride. So it's a success, it's a great ride. So what more can you say about it? Well guys, that is going to do it for our update here at Six Flags Over Georgia. It's been a fun day, and I look forward to Memorial Day weekend when Pandemonium officially opens. We've seen a lot of new things, including the member lounge, and there's a lot more to come. So if you like what we do, make sure to follow us at Midway Mayhem on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and we will see you out on the Midway.